riff's going to start off with an open D string and second fret with the second finger on the G string. We've got like 2 hits of this, one long, one short, so long, short. And then we'll grab it with the second finger on the second fret of the D and play these 2 notes together, so 2 on the D, 2 on the G, just a short one before we take the finger back off, hit the open D and second fret on the G again, so long, short, short, long. We then have a short hit, and then finger on, finger off for a long hit. So to finish off that riff, we do the same to start with, so open, short, second finger on, short, back off, short, and then we finish off with 3rd fret with the 3rd finger on the D and the 2nd fret of the G at the same time. 2 and 2, 1 and 2, these both notes are played with the 1st finger there, and then open D and 2nd fret of the G, so. The whole riff slowly sounds like this. And we're up to speed. The very final time through ends kind of abruptly, so it starts off the same. But as soon as we go to the 3 and 2, we just stop on that note there. Then we come with the chorus, which is 3 on the D, 2 on the G, and we've got this kind of rhythm. Long, short, long, short, long. And then 3 and 3. Same rhythm. Long, short, long, short, long. So the 3 and 2. Up to 3 and 3. After the 3-2 and 3-3, we go to a very similar pattern to the main riff. We've got open, D, 2nd fret on the D, we've got open, long, short, finger on, finger off, open, 2, open, open, 2, open, and then we finish it off with open, open, 3 and 2 before we go through for the 2nd time. So just the ending part there sounds like this. Go through again with a similar kind of pattern. So we finish the whole chorus off with open D, 2nd fret on the G, 2nd fret on the D, open D, then the abrupt 3 and 2, 3 on the D, 2 on the G. So the whole chorus slowly. Coming out of the verse. Then we go through the verse again.